They finally did it, guys! They released the Good News Everyone Kidrobot series for Futurama that finally contains Professor Farnsworth and a bunch of other surprising characters as well. They follow the similar art style for all the other display cases, but this time this color scheme is pink and baby blue. This time though, this is not Bender on the cover, but instead it's... Okay, so in this set, we have the chance of getting Bachelor Fry, Flexo, Hanukkah Zombie, Bubblegum Tate, URL, Scruffa, the Leela, I believe, from Roswell That Ends Well, back in the 50s, the Fry becoming his own grandfather episode. We have Two-Eyed Leela, where she gets a secondary fake eye. We have the Kwanzaa Bot. We have Party Hermes. We have Fat Amy, Chef Bender, the Space Pope, and Professor Farnsworth! For one of the secret ones, we have an alternate Chef Bender. I believe it might have a different hat and or different apron. And for the second secret, we have Jesus Zoidberg! I'm pretty sure when they were deciding what characters were going to be in the set, they needed to find one more secret character. And then someone said, why not Zoidberg? And then someone else said, why not Jesus Zoidberg? So this is the single boxes. As you can see, they're showing Professor Farnsworth. They're really pushing it because everyone was asking for him and they finally did it. So now you're gonna see a quick time lapse of me pre-opening all these boxes. Let's get started with box number 1. And for our first victim, we have Hermes. Da, 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 da. Hermes comes with two our little sticks, or maybe they're supposed to be limbo sticks. Box number 2, we have Hanukkah Zombie. He comes with that Jewish spinning top. Box number 3, we have another Hermes. This is a big heavy one. Wonder who this is. Ooh, whoa! It's Chef Bender, but his apron's red. So I'm not sure. Is this the secret Chef Bender with just the red apron? There's nothing inside his stomach here. There's nothing else that comes with him. I just drew one. What? Now we got box number 5. Kwanzaa Bot. He comes with a tiny booklet. What the hell's Kwanzaa? And we have double-eyed Leela. Her head came off. You can see her other eye isn't really centered because it's supposed to be a fake one. Oh, and she comes with an accessory. It's a little hand mirror. Huh, another double-eyed Leela. Twice in a row. And once again, the handheld. Whoops, this is a big heavy one. It's a Chef Bender with a white apron and a missing arm. And here he comes with a little slug dish. Look like I got the alternate Chef Bender. The only difference is the apron. The regular one says to serve men, can have a double meaning. And then the other one, hail to the chief, hail to the chef. He's a bit head heavy with the chef's hat. So it looks like the alternate Chef Bender does not come with the accessory. The other one comes with the slug. Here we have Bubblegum Tate. It'll be cool if he comes with a basketball. Oh yeah, there it is. He comes with a basketball. It has a stick so he can hold it, and it looks like he's probably spinning the basketball on his finger. So we have Fat Amy, and she does not come with any accessories. You can see that chunkiness. She also has pimples on her face. This is Puberty Amy. Still have not drawn a Farnsworth yet. Could he be in the next one? So is this gonna be a Farnsworth? Scruffy, whoa. Scruffy comes with double accessories. Double prizes! So here we have Scruffa. And he comes with his broomstick and the Alien Unique Knockers Playboy book. Another bubblegum tape. And another basketball. On to the second half. Lucky number 13. Oh, it's another bender. A regular chef bender. And another slug dish. Still no Professor Farnsworth. We have another Scruffy. Yep. This can't be true because Scruffa is one of a kind. We have... oh! Dead Professor Farnsworth. Professor Farnsworth. Good news, everyone! So he comes with 2 scientific beakers or flasks. Professor Farnsworth. Another Fat Amy. Actually, now that I think about it, haven't gotten Fry yet either. Oh, URL. Nice. Aha, he comes with his little lightsaber beating stick. Oh, his hat comes off. Bald URL looks like. Oh yeah. And our next victim, Space Pope. The alligator Space Pope. He should go with Kwanzaa Bot. He does not have any accessory. Coming down to the last 6. Another URL. Oh yeah. Now we have, haha, naked Bachelor Fry. Whoa, he has some really oily, shiny hair. And he comes with his dog bowl Bachelor Chow and his Bachelor Chow eaten spoon. Oh, another Fat Amy with arms bent back. What? Our first triple, another Bachelor Fry. My second Professor Farnsworth. From my experience, when you buy an entire case, you usually only get one of the 4 rarest characters. And the last one I got is another Space Pope. There, so these are all the figures I got in one display case. Seems like the top 4 of this series is Jesus Zoidberg, Alternate Chef Bender, Flexo, and the 50s Leela. So out of those 4, the one I got was Alternate Chef Bender. And I'm gonna have to spend some nice moolah and order some off of eBay. I'll post a video once I get those 3, but for now, let's take a closer look at all of these guys. Double-eyed Leela. She is her standard self, but she has 2 eyes. Looks like she has the same head shape and body. She comes with this little hand mirror that she can hold the loss of her head. So this is the mirror she looks at when she's in the hospital right after the surgery. And now here we have Hermes, Party Hermes, or Limbo Hermes. He has a big round head, and he comes with these limbo sticks. I'm not sure what these sticks are, but I guess he just holds them in his hand like this. Next up we have Hanukkah Zombie. He actually has some sticky residue on his mouth here. Bad quality control on Kidrobot's part. All I can do is try to rub it off. It's basically like, it looks like the glue they use to glue the cardboard boxes. The zombie. Whoa, he comes with a new unique headpiece. It's a square. And I'm sorry, I don't know what this is called, but everyone recognizes it as that spinning top that actually spins. What? And then you could just have him hold it in his hand like this. Next up, we have Kwanzaa Bot, another robot to add to the collection. His head does not come off. He has one of those anti-removable head pieces. If you pull really hard, it'll probably pop off, but he comes with, what the hell is Kwanzaa? A green book that you can add to his hands. You squeeze hard enough, he'll be able to hold it, but this book is actually pretty thick for his fingers. You see that? Next we have the Space Pope, some alligator Pope. Whoops. He does not come with any accessories. Next we have Chef Bender and his alternate counterpart. So it looks like the only difference is his chef apron and actually his eyes. He has angry eyes in the alternate version. Both contain this hat with a tiny hole for his antenna to go in. His head comes off with the apron and his door opens. Whoop. This door compartment's not properly glued in, so he has a double compartment, and his arm fell off. Well, this bender was not built properly. Have to send him back to mom. I forgot to show, this is what forgot to show you guys, this is what regular Chef Bender comes with. The little slug on a dish. Bachelor Fry is basically Naked Fry in his underwear. And his very shiny hair. The Fry comes with a bowl of Bachelor Chow and a spoon. So he can hold the spoon in his hand and just have the Bachelor Chow on the floor beside him. And this is his headpiece. Next up, we have the URL. And as I shown earlier, his helmet actually comes off, revealing this oddly bald looking URL head. His neck is on there pretty snug, and his arms move. Comes with his baton here, laser baton. Actually, without his helmet, he reminds me of Raul from Breaking Bad, if any of you seen that show. And there he is with his laser baton. Oh yeah. Next we have Scruffa. Here's Scruffy with his mustache. Has one of the anti-removable heads. His arms move, just like all the other figures. A red hat. Scruffa comes with a broom. And his Alien Playboy unique knockers. Woohoo! So this Scruffy's fingers are a bit wider so he can hold the knockers. And then the broomstick in his hand. I'm Scruffy, the janitor. Here I have my triplets, Fat Amy. This is Puberty Amy. You can see the pimples on her face. And you can tell she has a bit of chunkiness to her here. Same with the head, doesn't remove. And the arms move. She does not come with any accessories, just Chunky Amy. Next, Professor Farnsworth. Good news, everyone. So we finally have it. The Kidrobot Professor Farnsworth. He even has his two old moles on his head there. The glasses do not come off, they're stuck on. And his head does not come off. And he comes with his scientific flasks. His chemistry flasks. So you can put one in either hand. This one seems to be bubbling up. Have I shown you my drawer of various lengths of wire? And last but not least, we have Bubblegum Tate from the Harlem Globetrotters. He comes with a basketball, of course. And there he is. He holds the basketball like that. Too bad it doesn't spin though. So I got twin Tates. So there you have it. This is my pile of loot from Kidrobot Good News Everyone series. I hope you enjoyed this video. Found it useful. I'll be posting a video when I order the missing figures once I get them. Flexo, 50s Leela, and of course Jesus Zoidberg. So subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to when I post those videos. And if you like Futurama, check out my other Futurama videos. I'm a big crazy collector and I have lots of stuff.